Hello everyone. Let's see how easy it is to control time in PM People. Let's enter a project. I can see this project is scheduled this way. Only two activities, activity 1 for this week, activity 2 for this other week, and the total project of 10 days. It is a very simple project. So let's see how we can control the schedule. First thing, we need to plan a new review date. We have a review date for day 2, and we can control the schedule at that time. Let's say, for instance, that at this time activity 1 is not started. We planned to start the next day. So this is finishing after 5 days, and we can replan the following activity. Starting the day after. But we adjust and we consider that we can change the duration from 5 days to 3, so that the project is not finishing late. So we can see the whole picture here. At that time, the information is this. We forecast no final variance in time, but the first activity is starting 2 days later. Okay, and the adjustment here is that this activity is not taking 5, it's taking 3. Now I am moving to day 4, and I need to report that everything is the same about the schedule, but I have worked for 1 day, right? So first thing, I need to plan a new review date. Day 4, and I control schedule again. Activity 1 at day 4 is already started on day 3. My best estimate for finishing is the same, but I need to tell that I have worked 1 day over 5. This is a 40%. Okay, so I can control visually that everything is in place. This day, the information is this. The project is 25% complete because activity 1 is 40% complete. Let's move on again. On day 9, and I need to tell that activity 1 is finished. It finished 1 day earlier, and I have started activity 2, and I work 1 day of activity 2. Okay, so let's see. I need to plan a new review date, day 9, and for that day, well, first thing I can state that the published status date is this, and for in that moment in the project I can see that activity 1 has finished on day 8. Okay, so you can tell that this is a 100% because we have an actual finish date, and I can tell that activity 2 has also started date 9, sorry. Actual start is day 9. Let's say that my best estimate for finishing is day 12. Okay, I can tell that this is 25% completion, 1 day over 4. So I can tell that I have 3 status reports. The last one is this is only a summary, but if I need to see the details, for instance visually and about schedule, I can see that this is the situation, and my base estimate is that we are finishing without delay. Okay, so the project is 63% complete. Now we finish the project. Instead of 4 days for activity 2, we finish on 3 days. Okay, so we will finish on Thursday. So let's see how can we translate this to PM people. Again, I need a new review date for day 11. I can control a schedule for activity 2, this date. I can tell that everything is green. I can tell how much green, you know, and I can provide a description, and I can tell that I finish here on day 11, and that's it. So if I go to the schedule Gantt, this date, I can see that we finished earlier. I can tell that everything is finished. Okay, but maybe more important, I can review the all situations. I have a snapshot for the baseline. The first time I can review the situation of day 2, on day 4. You can see the details in the table, and on day 9, and finally on day 11. And everybody can tell that the project is finished, provided that I change the published status date at that time. I can also provide some generic information in health checks. For instance, I can tell everything is finished. You can notice that the semaphoric color is changed, and if we see this project along others, I can tell that at that time, at this status date, this is the color this project started on day 3 and finished on day 11. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.